In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from a web page in Excel. If you've ever found a table online and wished you could analyze it directly in Excel, this is exactly how to do it. We'll pull the data straight from the web, optionally clean it up with Power Query, and make it refreshable so you always have the latest numbers. Start by grabbing the link to the page that contains the table you want. Make sure the information is actually displayed as a table on the page, not hidden behind downloads or buttons that require interaction, because Excel looks for structured HTML tables. Copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Open Excel and head to the Data tab in the ribbon. This is where all the important connection tools live. Depending on your version, you might see a section called Get Data or Get and Transform Data. That's the one we want. Choose Get Data, then from other sources, and then from web. This tells Excel you want to connect to a website rather than a file on your computer. A small window will appear asking for the web address. Paste the URL you copied and click OK. If the website requires credentials, Excel may prompt you to sign in or choose an access method. For most public pages, basic access is fine and you won't need to enter anything else. Excel will scan the page and show you a navigator window with a list of tables it found. Click each table name to preview it on the right. Pick the one that looks like the data you need. If you see multiple similar tables, choose the one with the cleanest headers and the most complete rows. If nothing looks right, the site may be loading data dynamically, so try a different page that shows the table plainly. Now decide how you want to bring it in. If the table already looks good, click Load and Excel will place it in your worksheet as a linked table. If you want to tidy things up first, choose Transform Data to open Power Query Editor. Here you can filter rows, change data types, split or merge columns, and remove extra headers or totals. When it looks the way you want, click Close and Load to send it back to Excel. Once your table is in the workbook, you can keep it up to date without starting over. Just right-click anywhere inside the table and choose Refresh. Excel will reconnect to the page and pull in the latest version of that table. That's it. You've connected Excel to a web page, selected the right table, optionally cleaned it, and set it up so you can refresh it whenever the source updates.